Is your MacBook Pro's touch bar acting up? Specifically, are you dealing with a dead or malfunctioning screen LED on your 13-inch A1706 or A1989 model? Before you consider a costly full assembly replacement, there might be a more affordable solution. This video takes a look at the A21-00681-04 or A21-00681, a ribbon cable, also known as AMS983JC01, designed as a direct replacement for the problematic touch bar screen LED. This ribbon cable is compatible with the 13-inch MacBook Pro touch bar models from late 2016 to mid-2017, A1706, EMC 3071, and 3163, and the 2018 to 2019 models, A1989, EMC 3214, and 3358. If you've identified the APN 821-00681-04, 821-00681, A, or PPN AMS983JC01 as the culprit behind your touch bar woes, this could be the fix you're looking for. The key benefit here is cost-effectiveness. Replacing just the ribbon cable is significantly cheaper than replacing the entire touch bar assembly. Of course, this assumes that the ribbon cable is indeed the source of the problem. It's important to note that replacing this ribbon cable requires a delicate touch and some technical skill. Disassembling a MacBook Pro is not for the faint of heart, and improper handling can lead to further damage. If you're not comfortable with electronics repair, it's always best to seek professional assistance. Each of these 821-00681, a touch bar replacements undergoes testing before it's shipped, which adds a layer of confidence that you're receiving a functional part. However, it's still crucial to handle the cable with care during installation to avoid any accidental damage. So, if you're facing a non-functional touch bar screen LED on your compatible MacBook Pro, this ribbon cable replacement offers a potentially budget-friendly solution. Just remember to proceed with caution and consider professional help if needed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.